Stitchery Decor. Welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make more money selling fewer products, which I know it seems crazy, but it's true. You can actually do this. So if you're starting out with your handmade business and you're wondering, oh my gosh, how are these girls doing everything? I'm so tired. I'm making products till 2, 3 in the morning every night. I'm going to give you guys some tips and tell you, about looping so that you can make more money and actually make fewer products. Okay, so how it started for me, if you don't know, it started with these rugs. So with these rugs, I had made a bunch of these rugs just for fun and put them out in my house, in my bathroom. So they're my new bath mats. Not exactly like this, mine are gray, but regardless. And then we had a Grey Cup party. So at our Grey Cup party, all of our friends were over here and they were obviously using the washrooms. And pretty much everybody that came out of a bathroom was like, holy Dinah, where did you get those rugs? And I said, okay, guys, seriously, I made the rugs. And they threatened to steal them. And so I thought, okay, well, if you would steal them, would you pay for them? And they said, yes, of course, we will pay for them. Because they know that I've always done some crafty things. So I said, okay, well, I'm going to start a business. I had some health problems. So I thought, okay, well, this is a good time. I'm going to start a business. So we renovated this craft room here. My husband's a contractor, so that worked out well. And I named my business Home Stitchery Decor because I'm going to sew. I wanted home decor, and I know that home decor is a highly searched item online. So that's what I'm called. So I started with the rugs. Okay, so now I've got the rugs. I've made the rugs. What am I going to do with the rugs? So I started posting on Facebook, Instagram, and started telling people that I'm making the rugs. And I made quite a few sales doing it that way. And those friends told more friends. And then I was sewing rugs. Rugs, always sewing rugs. And then I got myself into a couple of local farmers markets. Well, not even farmers markets, really. They were like craft sales at schools. And I took the rugs with me. And I took dish towels with me, which are these ones here. And I took some dishcloths with me, which are these ones here. And I took soup bowl cozies with me. So if you don't know what a soup bowl cozy is, when you heat up your soup in the microwave, you put your soup in this bowl, you put all of this in the microwave, you heat for no more than 3 minutes. And when you pull it out, you have this little bowl here and you don't burn your fingers. So that's what I started with. Once I got to the little craft markets, I started taking pictures of my stands and started improving on my displays and started coordinating all of the items together for images. And then I started applying with those images for local stores. So local stores are, little craft businesses that they have like collectives. So one is called Collective House. It's in Innisfail, Alberta. And what happens there is I put my stuff in on a commission base, and then they sell the things for me. So those girls are working for me so that I'm at home and I can either make more items or I can work on things like this YouTube channel. Okay, so when I put the things in the stores, I make sure that every single item I have has a tag on it. So you can see the tags here. I've made a video on the tags, how to make them. And on the tag, it's got all of my business information. So it's got my name, my phone number, my website, a thank you message. And on the back, it has all of these little areas that I can mark off for washing instructions for this particular item. So if someone were to give this as a gift to somebody, say they bought it at the store, now they give this to their friend for a gift, and their friend says, oh, I wonder who this person is. This is so fantastic. So now they go and look at my card here and they Google me, and they can either find me on my website, or they can find me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, on Etsy, and on my website. Did I say my website? Anyway, you can find me on my website. Okay, so now that we've got all of our coordinating products, and I'll talk a little bit more about a couple of them, I'm going to go back to the rug here for a minute. With the rug, I've taught a tutorial on YouTube on how to make the rug. I know I get some flack from some people saying, why are you giving out all your, exact designs and stuff? Who cares, really? I mean, I cannot make a rug for every single person in the world. I just can't do it. And if you choose to go make a rug because of my video or somebody else's video who has the same video, by the way, and you do it differently, how is that exactly the same as mine? It's not. You're going to use different fabrics. You're going to have different graphics for your images. You're going to have a different web page. So by all means, I'm not sharing any, like top secret, life altering things that are going to happen here. I mean, if you live in Alabama and you choose to make a rug based on this video, I mean, more power to you. By all means, share it with me. Tell me about it on Instagram. I want to cheer you on. Okay, so we make the tutorial. And then once we've made our tutorial, we're going to post it onto YouTube. And we're going to tell people about all of the supplies that we use to make all of our stuff. So we're going to get ourselves an Amazon link or affiliate links to the craft supply companies, or affiliate links to, say, a sewing machine company or a thread company or a batting company. Wherever you buy your supplies from, you can get affiliate links for them. And then you can tell people, okay, hey, I made this fabulous rug. And here's a sewing machine I actually sew it on. It's in the video. If you want to have success with your projects and do it exactly as I'm doing, buy this sewing machine from my Amazon link, and then I will get paid. Nobody's obligated to shop through any links that I provide for them. But if they click through a link and they buy something, it pays me to not only produce the product itself, to produce the tags, somebody's got to pay for that, to put all my items into stores, and to make more free content onto the internet universe, right? So every time I put a YouTube video out there with free instructions, and somebody chooses to support me through a link, that's great. That just means I can make more free instructions for the next person. So by all means, shop through people's links. Don't be scared. We won't know if you shopped. We won't be able to track you. We have no idea how much you spent or where you spent it. They don't tell us stuff like that. They just say, hey, you made a sale. It was $100 worth of products. Your payout is 2% or 6% or whatever it is. So shop through the link. Okay, so then I've made the YouTube video. I've put up all the links onto YouTube, and I'm going to do the same process again over on my website. So I'm going to grab all of the information and all of the links that I've put onto YouTube, copy and paste them over to my website, and I'm going to embellish that as more of a blog post. So try to get your descriptions up on your YouTube videos, 500 to 1,000 characters. Put in images from Amazon or wherever you're getting your links from. Like I did a Christmas tree tutorial, and I've got an affiliate link now to the template, which, I mean, they're fabulous. I didn't even know I could be an affiliate for them. I just used their stuff, and then I was scrolling, and sure enough. Anyways, there's a video on them too, so go look at that. And then because I have a website, I linked my website up with Google AdSense, which is Google's ad company. And basically what happens is the more people that go and view my website, the more clicks I get onto my website, the more content I put onto my website that is on brand and, matches. Google picks that up, right? So they're smart. They have an algorithm. They're like, hey, I think this girl's selling craft stuff. I should show this website to people that are looking for craft stuff. Hey, this girl's selling rugs. I should show this website to people that are selling rugs or making rugs or want to buy rugs. And every click over to my website triggers Google to pay me. So basically, it starts out really small and it grows over time. But eventually, when you have your own website, you can make money just off of having that website. I also put the links in, and I don't just link to affiliate links. So there's companies that I link to that have absolutely nothing to do with paying me for anything. Like whenever I'm making a craft video where I'm showing you how to make an actual product, I always have my halftime snack time report. And basically what that is a way to promote local Canadian companies that have great food products. Half the time they don't even know that I've done it. They may contact me after the fact and say, oh my gosh, we heard that you put our product in one of your videos, and isn't that cool? So go watch some of those tutorials. It's kind of fun. So basically you're getting paid from your website now. So we're going to make our patterns. We're going to give out the free information. We're going to have our affiliate links. And then the last product I'm going to talk to, oh, actually I missed this one. These are unpaper towels. I haven't made a tutorial on them yet, but I'm going to. And basically they snap onto the roll here, and these can just sit on your countertop, and you just pull one off at a time and you wipe up any messes and then throw them in the laundry and they're washed. And I didn't talk about half this stuff. Hang on a second, guys. So this dishcloth here is made with Bernat yarn from Yarn Inspirations. I am not an affiliate for them, but I do have an Amazon link where you can buy Bernat yarn, and I've put up a tutorial on them. I put up the pattern on them. I wrote a blog post on them, and I put it on the website. So another way to get paid. And then this, I have a thing against ugly dish drawing mats. So I make this. They're super cute. They're embellished here. And again, I've got my business name on it. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to edit out a sneeze because we're all human beings and we sneeze. Okay, so back to the dish drawing mat. Super cool. Put my name on it. If you want to see what local stores and farmers markets I'm at, or even how I'm putting that together onto my website, go ahead and go over to my website, www.homestitcherydecor.com, and you can check out local stores and farmers markets. Most of my graphics I make on a program called Canva, and they have a free program there. It's really super easy. You can watch tutorials online. I even have one tutorial online for how to make color palettes. So go ahead and check out Canva. They've got, I think it's a 30-day free trial if you do decide to go to the pro thing. They give me a link, but I haven't put that in anywhere yet. Maybe I'll put it in on, like when I could link to Vistaprint or Canva, all the apps or something I'm using. One day I'll write a blog post on that so you can all just sign up to the same apps and save yourself some time of researching what all the apps are. Okay, so then this last project that I have, these are my Cricut Mandela files. You can make them on Silhouette, CNC, lasers, etc. So basically I own all these designs. Oh, it got a little reflection there. Okay, so I own all these designs and I sell the finished artwork. I sell it online. I sell it at the local stores. I sell it on farmers markets. I sell it Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Phew. But also I sell the actual digital files. So you can purchase the digital files as an instant download on my website, or you can head over to my Etsy store if you're more comfortable. Some people like to buy digital files just from Etsy. And basically what happens with that is I pay for the designs once. So somebody works with me on these designs. They're stupid expensive. But then once I have them, I can market them as finished products, or I can sell the files themselves. So if you decide to download the files and make this, there's a YouTube tutorial on it. I've linked the tutorial over to my website. So you can find all of the products that I use in the making of this. And I've got affiliate links for it as well. I'm trying to get to be an affiliate for Cricut. They did feature me once on their Cricut Canada post, but I haven't got into that yet. And then I'm applied also to be a Michaels affiliate because this is where I'm getting my shadow boxes. Again, just waiting for approval. One day they'll notice me. And basically, you know, some people say you should never sell on Etsy, because anytime you sell something on Etsy, people say, oh, I bought that on Etsy. And that's true enough. But when you have a digital product and you're not selling it on Etsy, in my opinion, you're just leaving money on the table. Etsy has billions of users. They have an algorithm. They have paid advertising that you can purchase. Like my ad spend right now is $10 a day, and I'm consistently making more than $10 a day off of this product. Yes, I had to pay for it. Yes, I had to have it designed. Yes, I had to buy the machinery. Yes, I had to do all of the test cuts. Yes, I had to do all of the research for how to get it online onto that platform. But now it's on that platform and they sell consistently every day. So why would I leave that money on the table? And anything that I put on Etsy, it has links back to everything else that I'm doing. So it has links back to my website, links back to my Instagram, and people can go and search my other products there too. So if I didn't have that on Etsy, I wouldn't have any access to all of their traffic. I wouldn't have any access to their automatic ads that I literally just pay for and I have to do nothing for. And then every time I turn on my email, there's another person has bought one of my digital files. So go ahead, and when you make a pattern, any kind of pattern that you make, if you made a dishcloth pattern, if you made a quilt pattern, if you made a sweater, anything that you make, jewelry, anything that you can make a pattern for, you can sell that pattern. It doesn't have to sell for a lot of money. Maybe you just sell it for $1. Maybe you put it up on your Facebook page and put it a tip jar and people just pay you in tips. But anytime you get $1 or $2 or $6 or $10 from somebody buying something that's evergreen, which means it lasts forever. You can also, link all of your products on your website over to Pinterest for free traffic to your website. Anytime anybody does that, that's free money, which means you don't have to make as many products. Okay, so that's in summary for today. Make products, make patterns. That's my piece here. Link them all up to everything. And if you're getting value out of this video, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell button. Every single time somebody does that, you are literally helping me stay at home. And I love staying at home. So if you haven't checked out my craft room tour video, at the very end of it, there's a little clip in there that will show you exactly why I love staying home. So go over there and watch that video. Have a great day, guys, and we'll chat soon. And now you can